and welcome back. So if you are looking for a method where you can trim or cut your ends without losing a lot of length, then this is definitely the video that you need to watch. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the famous S&D method, in other words search and destroy method. Now if you are in a long hair community or a hair growth community on Facebook, Instagram, or on Google or wherever, you are going to hear about this method quite a lot, and a lot of people are using it because it is actually very effective. Okay, I'm just going to start detangling my hair while I'm going to explain more or less what this S&D method is. So the S&D method, or the search and destroy method, is going to allow you to basically trim your hair without losing too much length. So you're obviously trying to grow out your hair, and you do not want to go for frequent trims where you lose a centimeter or 2 centimeters of your length. So you will be able to keep your length while keeping your hair in a healthy state, and then of course you're not going to lose a lot of length, and that is like the main reason why this is actually a very good method. So along with this S&D method, basically what you're going to do is you are going to go through almost each and every hair strand of you. You're going to section your hair out. I'm going to show you guys now how exactly we're going to do this, so I hope you guys are ready. The first things first is to invest in a good pair of sharp hair scissors. Let me emphasize hair scissors. So this is not the right scissors that I'm going to use, but unfortunately I don't have any other scissors at the moment. So I need to invest in a good pair of hair scissors. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comment down below. The comment box down below. Why was that so difficult? And if you can hear the national bird of South Africa right by my windows. You in the middle. So basically after the song of the birds people, I can now finally continue with my video. Now if you're like me and you don't actually have scissors yet, or a good pair of hair scissors, I would recommend first sharpening your scissors before starting this. The reason why I'm saying that is because you do not want to cut your hair with a blunt scissor. The moment you're going to do that, you're going to cause more damage than actually cutting off your split ends. You're going to cause more split ends at the end of the day. Then of course, when you are going to start cutting, when you do find your split end, I will recommend not just cutting your split end. I will recommend going a little bit over and above that split end, maybe like 2 or 3 centimeters more, because you don't know how much damage or where the damage has ran up to your hair strand. Alright, so let me quickly jump in and show you guys how I do it. So first things first is you will have to brush out all of your hair to make sure there is no knots. So that is the first thing that we're going to do. And once this is done, I'm going to split my hair in half. I'm going to section it in 2, in other words. Okay, so my hair is now sectioned in half, and we're going to start off with the first section. Just going to do this. So we're going to start off with this section. Now what you want to do is you want to start off with the back. I'm going to show you a few ways of what we're going to do. So we're going to start off with this section, and I like to twist my hair, loop it over my finger, and then all the little hairs that pops up you can actually trim. But you don't really want to trim all of it, you literally just want to look for the ones that are split. And then as you see them, you cut it off. Okay, so here we've got one. It's not a split end, but it is a broken end, meaning it's got a very weak point. This one right here, you guys can see it. It sticks out like a sore thumb. So that right there, we're cutting off. And we're cutting it off properly. Doing it properly is going to take you about 30 minutes or more. So I'm going to sit the rest of the day doing my ends and doing my S&D, making sure that I don't have any split ends or any broken ends. So it's gonna take me a while to do this. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like my video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions, remember the scissors, I need some recommendations, please leave it down in the comments down below. I will be sure to check it out and I'll give you my opinion about it, and I will let you guys know which one I decided to go for. Now if you do want to see more of my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye!